Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
Well, some snow is headed in our direction, and the only advisories that are showing up in the general area are in the Stanley Basin, where there's a winter storm watch. 4 to 7 inches of snow. This would be now for tomorrow evening through Sunday evening. The storm system is going to have a couple of parts to it. A warm front, which has cold air ahead of it, and that's when we typically get our snows in the Treasure Valley. Those are the ones that can pile up a little more than they appear. And that's why I'm keeping a close eye on this one. Idaho County under another advisory. There's been so many this year. While it's not been occurring down further to the south in the west central mountains, our storm track has been a little bit further to the north. But we do have all this moisture that's tracking in our direction. It'll come into the west central and Boise Mountains and even the Treasure Valley. That's the leading edge of the snow, passing Kennewick and Pendleton, pushing into the Blues here soon. If you're heading out of Boise now and you're going to be going over the Blues tonight, it is going to be some difficult travel tonight over the Blues because of snow and maybe some gusty breezes with that as well. As the snow works its way in, it will break up as it's heading towards the Treasure Valley, but I still think we could coat the ground and get up to ½ inch in the Treasure Valley. So it could be a little bit more as well, because a warm front, as this mild weather is trying to work its way in, the snow will go by and the snow will fall. Then the warmer temperatures start to work their way in. The temperatures will start to come back up. But then another cold front will sweep on through from the north and west, and that one will bring some rain showers ahead of it and then colder air behind it. So it's a change of a weather pattern over the weekend, but I'm seeing some light snow in the valley overnight tonight, Saturday morning, and then some rain late Saturday night, early Sunday morning in the valley, with snow with both parts of those storms in the central mountains, all snow. All right, so let's look at the futurecast. It kind of lays the picture here. Just after midnight tonight, light snow pushing its way into the McCall area. This shows blue, which is snow, and some pretty appreciable snow from Boise, at least the interstate northward here into the mountains, although there's some parts of Canyon County here that have light snow falling as well. That's 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. We push this ahead. Notice how the snow is trying to disappear, but the computer charts are having a hard time ending the snow over Boise. That's those warm fronts. They can sneak up on you and just kind of, once the snow starts, it just keeps snowing and snowing and snowing. If the temperatures creep above freezing, it won't be much of an issue. You'll see snow showers around, but if it stays cold enough and this gets more pronounced, we could see several inches of snow Boise eastward. Now, I'm not going to put that in my official forecast, but if it happens, you'll know that we're talking about that. That was a possibility. I'm going to watch closer tonight as new computer information comes in to see if that would be the case. However, as we come into Sunday, now this is a cold front right here. You can see it draping in on this angle here. Ahead of it, it's milder, so the freezing levels come up, and that's why it's mostly rain and a rain-snow mix as this front comes through. But in the mountains, a burst of heavy snow at 2 o'clock in the morning tomorrow night. That blasts on through. What a day to ski on Sunday, I'll tell you that much, because there'll be a little bit of sun and more significant snow. For the valley, again, during the day on Sunday, we won't have precipitation. It will all be gone already, but a good northwest wind and that cold breeze developing again during the day. Here's the very latest computer snowfall accumulation charts, and it shows that on the ground, anywhere you see this light blue, is an inch or less. The chart specifically picking an inch in the Boise area. And so it's Boise, the foothills, a couple of inches of snow likely. And east of Boise, the best chance for snow. I'll have to see what happens in Canyon County here. If this does occur late Saturday night, it would wash away as we get that rain coming on in. Higher elevations, we look at the ski areas. What are the ski areas showing here? At least a ½ a foot likely at Tamarack and Brundage, Bogus Basin. 3 to 5 inches of snow is a good bet, maybe a little bit more. Sun Valley will have a little less out of this one. Magic Mountain will get more snow. My complete ski report is coming up in just a little bit. But you see McCall here. One of these models has a 1-2 punch. A little snow on Saturday, overnight tonight, Saturday morning, then nothing during the day Saturday, and then more snow coming in. If you add the whole weekend, we might have upwards to 5 or 6 inches of snow in the McCall area from both parts of the storm system over the weekend. So if you are traveling to the higher elevations, keep in mind difficult travel conditions. So I expect my exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today, less than an inch of snow overnight tonight, tomorrow morning. Saturday, snow flurries, but there could be a period of snow all the way to noon in the Boise area. In the mountains, 1 to 2 inches of snow tonight, another 1 to 2 inches of snow possible on Saturday, but there's going to be a break during the first part of Saturday, and then the heavy snow comes in Saturday night and Sunday morning for the mountains. Stanley and Sun Valley have a chance for 2 to 4 inches of snow again. That would be tomorrow night, and a few snow flurries in the Magic Valley. My extended forecast, there's the snow tonight, rain tomorrow night, and then you see sunshine during the day Sunday and Monday. Look at that, getting colder there on Monday at 34, and then it gets dry again, and the weather pattern could end up staying dry, although I've seen it look like it's going to stay dry, but then we get some more of these smaller storms. This is not a big blast of moisture. There's a big ridge of high pressure offshore roll that's blocking that, that Pineapple Express that just blasts the snow of the fire into the mountains. Not seeing that. These are just little shots of moisture coming through.
I would like to see that. We need that.
We need